my God.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, guys. Hubby and I, naggawa-gawa lang kami ng guys, sandwiches. Chicken from last night. Dalhin ko to para may makain yung biyanan ko doon. Meron naman pagkain doon pero yep, this one for her. And guys, Tommy, and I have the chicken over there. And yun, gumawa ako ng sandwich din para sa lunch ko. Ito siya. And lunch din ni biyanan, ito siya. May pagkain yung sila doon pero hindi ko talaga alam kung saan yung mga anong gagawin ko doon. So yun. Tommy sandwich here. Put that in the bag. Put that in that thing. Okay guys, maaga ako guys. Punta 7, almost 8 o'clock na. Punta lang kami siya punta sa trabaho. Ako punta din doon sa biyanan ko. Kasi may mga, may mga appointment ngayon yung biyanan ko.
You sure I want to keep the bigger roast beef?
No.
Give me a small one, because honey, it'll go bad.
No.
What is it for you?
Call her.
Come on, Rox. Want both? Come on.
There's Bonesy here. Come here. Come in.
Oh, you don't want it? Okay, I'll put it back. No, you don't want it? Okay. Okay.
Allah. There's a Bonesy here. Come here, Rox. So you guys are...
Come here. Come on, Rox. Come on. Come.
Let her in, Han.
Big girl.
Yeah, let her in.
Big girl. Big girl.
Right here, hon. It's just out. Nako. Busy tayo today. May mga appointment and may mga gagawin din kami after. Kailangan ko din siya i-exercise.
I haven't seen it for hours.
Hala, uy, namatay man ang akong grass. Uy, hon, it died.
Yeah, I watered it this morning.
You did?
Yeah, but I didn't give it up. I took a bottle of water on town to fill it with water.
Okay, that's it. Maybe it's gonna overflow on the
Now you
floor.
can see the train bottle.
You're over there. You're over there eating your bones. Come in. Let's go inside. Come in. Come in, Roxy, in. Bring your bones. Good girl. Good girl, baby. Good girl. You're a good girl na love ni Mama. Missed it. What happened, Ann? And what is that noise?
There's future if you want them, otherwise we'll get them all.
Did you give them already?
Yeah, but he don't come. Say goodbye.
Say bye-bye to Dada.
Say goodbye. Come on. Give a kiss and goodbye. Give a kiss. Kiss. Goodbye.
Kisses?
She said, I don't do that for Mom. Fine.
Yung isa, hala, Roxy.
You grab it.
Okay, enjoy your TV. Roxy, you listening? Are you listening? Okay, enjoy your TV. And I'll bring this. I have the laptop there. Tommy boy. Hello? Hi. Hold on.
Already?
No, I'm leaving now. Andrea called me.
Yeah.
She said
I brought the ID. I'm gonna give it to you.
nag-i-edit lang ako dito ng video, guys. Yun. And andun si Biyanan may kausap. Yung best friend niya, yung kausap, tinawagan ko para mag-usap sila. So, ako ngayon, edit na lang. Okay man sa labas ngayon, guys. It's okay. Init. So, alis ako mamaya para tawag nito, para cut ng grass. Nag-enjoy si Biyanan. Gustong-gusto niya to dito ay. Tingnan niyo. You like to be under the sun, huh? You like to be under the sun.
I
But-
never get any sun.
I know, but you cannot stay long. Because they don't like it when your face burn. You have sunburn.
No.
Yeah, it's not good. You look like a roasted pig. So you did good exercise today.
Yeah.
You did.
I passed the grades.
Yeah, but next week it's another additional more exercise to do. It's good that you can
Oh, yeah.
climb the tree. Next month you can climb the
Boy,
tree.
I can go up there.
Yeah, you can go up there and clean up the roof. So you have sandwich. Tammy made sandwich for us.
Oh.
I eat mine already, guys.
Oh, you did, huh?
I did eat mine already.
Yeah.
And yours, you're having it now. Tammy make good sandwich.
He worries about everything.
Yeah, he did good sandwich.
Yeah.
Gustong-gusto talaga niya, tingnan niya. So, gawa kami ng video, guys. Hold on, guys,
Oh my God. We scare anybody. Holy smoke.
That's all of us.
Oh my God. Look at those eyes and that nose.
It's weird, Mom. You're weird. I think it's evening na, pero hindi pa talaga evening na, night na. Oh my God. Katatapos kong not long time ago, I think, an hour ago. Tapos akong nag-cut ng grass, pero grabe guys, ang taas na pala ng grass namin. Sabi ko nga eh. So, nag-cut ako ng grass, pero yung weed whack is kailangan pa. Wala, hold on. May UFO mystery. Hold on.
It's the video that's making even skeptics do a double take. The video was shot by U.S. fighter pilots on a training mission off the coast of Jacksonville, Florida.
Naniniwala ako na may alien. Yung mga alien sa movie, hindi lang siya nabubunyag talaga. Yung mga movies, kaya nagawa yung mga movies na alien dahil may alien talaga na nakapunta na dito sa Earth. And then, ginagawa ng movies. And alam nyo kung sinong may alam? Gobyerno, guys. Tinatago nila yung alien. Sabi pa ng ano, naluka-luka na si MaryAnn. Naniwala. May alien talaga, guys. May alien, pero tinatago siya. Tinatago siya ni Obama. I'm just joking. Pero, naniniwala akong may alien. Or, kung wala mang alien, alam nyo ba kung anong iniisip ko? Kung walang alien, yung Russia at saka Chinese. Baka meron silang mga high-tech na mga pang-advance to preparation for the future war. I know for sure. Hindi naman ako nag-ano, no? Pero alam na nafe-feel ko talaga na may future World War 3 talaga. What? Kasi, you know, kasi parang ganun ata yung mga mangyayari ba na ito na naman tayo, natatakot na, tinatakot ko naman tong sarili ko. Good morning, guys! Nahimuta pa man ko, guys. Oy, Saturday ngayon. And, hindi tayo magbabantay kay Biyenan today. Kasi, andun yung anak niyang babae. And yan, guys, pinakain ko na yung mga pusa, mga aso. Ano bang gagawin ko today? Yeah, mag-weedwalk lang. And then, I think yun lang. And, yan. Uy, tawagan ko pala yung sister ko, uy. Nakalimutan ko, 7 o'clock na. So, usually, hindi pa sila tulog, mga 8. So, tawagan natin. Okay. Ang hirap ng mga signal, no? Ang hirap ng signal sa Pinos. At today, guys, is linis-linis time. Maglilinis tayo naman sa bahay. Kasi wala tayo dito pag weekdays, di ba? So, weekend tayo yung linis natin. I like this laundry basket, guys, kasi flexible siya. So, hindi siya mahirap dalhin. Like, ganito. Yun. Marami akong gawin, guys. Ang kamay ko, guys, puro paslot-paslot. Kung sa Bisaya pa nga paslot. Kasi, I've been like editing like crazy. Oh, editing. Napaslot ang kamay dahil sa editing, no? Napaslot siya dahil sa tawag nito, sa pagkakat ng grass, yung weed whacker ko na may pagka-problema, di ba? Ang ginawa ko is, hinikot ko, I tied the, yung string, para hindi siya, kasi every time I turn it on, yung string is lalabas. So, sobrang taas ng string, maingay. So, I kind of like, I tied it, na hindi siya lalabas ng kusa. So, yun. And, punta tayo sa baba, ilagay natin ito sa bathroom, at sa closet doon. Tapos na to, at saka naglalaba din ako, guys. Ilagay natin dito yung dapat ilagay. Ito, yung robe ko. Bagong laba, yeah. And, either misty, Ito sa kusina. Ito kay Biyenan. May meron na akong laundry doon, nakasalang na. Nakatry akong gumamit isang basis Tide dito, guys. Ang bango ng Tide, as in, pero yung presyo, guys, mga ganitong kalaking container Tide, mga $20+ na yun. Pero itong mga ginagamit namin is ito siya. Hindi Tide, extra. Extra! Ito yung mga ano namin, mga $8, $7, ganoon. And, kasi mahal kasi yung Tide, pero ang bango talaga niya gamitin, guys. As in, yung damit mo, sobrang bango. At, yung Downy din, ayaw ko gamitin yung Downy. So, ito na yung Sovatel na gamit ko. Itong yellow, ang bango din. Eh, grabe. Pero yung Tide, hindi kaya sa pitaka, sa wallet. Inosente dati kasi ako noon, guys. Pagdating ko dito, inosente ako sa mga ganito. Eh, bakit? Pag dubli-dubli pa. Pinukong daming labahan. Pero komportable pala. Komportable. Komportable pala siya. Lila, 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 lila. Lila, lila. Lila. Lila, 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 lila. Lila. Inom tayo ng wine. Magwa-wine tayo, guys. Then, lalabas tayo. Tignan natin. Ay, meron palang open. Merong open dito. Oh, bumili ako ng okra. Itanim ko to, guys. Itanim ko to mamayang hapon. Mamayang hapon, itanim ko to. Ngayon is ano pa? Hala, 3 o'clock na pala. Okra. Katni para sa pusa. Okra at talong gulay. Itanim ko to, guys. Kasi, yung pichay ko pala, yung pichay na tinanim ko, is hindi gumagana, guys, kasi yung lupa is hindi nakaano, hindi masayo yung pichay sa lupa. So yun, so ito i-try natin itong okra at talong. Itong catnip is para itong sa pusa pagkain. White wine, guys. Wait down. Wait down, bagay ulo bang kawod. Wala. Wala. Ganda lang. Sobrang ganda ng ano. Paligid.